किसी के हाथ चलते हैं तो किसी के पैर, हमारे दोनों चलते हैं।
मैं वापस आ गया।
Salman Bhai's role of Prem Dilwala.
Simple boy, all heart.
A man who is wanting to take his family together.
No needs, no demands.
But there are problems. There are sisters who, if I send mithai ka box, they'll tear the cellophane and send back. There's a brother I have to keep messaging that, this, that, just to keep it going.
He is really impressed by this Rajkumari.
His fascination with this girl. He wants to contribute to her life in some way. So she falls in love with him. Because he listens to her and he understands her and he respects her for who she is.
He is a person who is not aggressive, but will not say yes to something that is wrong. He will gently, politely stand his ground.
Prem Dilwala is a fabulous character.
बहुत सारे लोग प्रेम के साथ relate करेंगे.
He's the most heroic character that I've ever seen in real life also and in films also.
प्रेम दिलवाला मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, मतलब वो मोहब्बत हो जाती है उस किरदार के साथ.
He is the most lovable character in the film.
Salman sir is a person like that only. His character is coming out so well because he is a man like that.
सलमान बहुत पॉपुलर है और मैं खुद उनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम उनको ही देखता रहता हूँ कि क्या कर रहे हैं वो, क्या कैसे कर रहे हैं.
He's such a big star and like he's a superstar and I was really nervous on my first day, but I think as time has gone by, it's been beautiful working with him. He's been wonderful.
He's fun-loving guy, is like very energetic.
वो महा मस्तीखोर है.
चलती फिरती एंटरटेनमेंट की मशीन है वो.
Sir, I've got a surprise for you, sir. ये देखो पानी ऐसे पीते हैं, ये देखो. And the nomination for the best actor.
He's just exceptional. I mean, the improvisations that he came up with.
Amazing improvisations.
He listens to what you want. He wants to do it. He can do it, but very professional.
Very hospitable.
He's an absolutely outstanding performer. He's got a massive following around the world.
Lots of people back home in the UK have heard of Salman Khan. They know how big a star he is.
He's popular, he's loving, he's golden-hearted.
To take him to various cities and to have him shoot is so difficult with the kind of crowd.
Salman Bhai has taken great care of all of us for the entire 15 months. A man of his stature, his caliber, his position does not need to go out and do that, but the way he's done it for all of us just proves the kind of person that he is.
जहाँ सलमान भाई रुकते वहाँ पे हमको रूम दिया जाता है कि सलमान भाई का एक ही कहना है कि ये लोगों को मैं संभालूंगा क्योंकि मेरे फैमिली से ज़्यादा ये लोग रहते हैं.
Seeing Prem come alive in front of your own eyes, it's too amazing to put in words.
Everyone's just standing and everyone's looking at him.
The ease with which he performs, the confidence with which he does it, it's a true superstar.
Prem Dilwala is such a fantastic character which Suraj ji has written that for years to come Prem Ratan Dhan Payo mein Prem Dilwala will be remembered like how we remember all the Prems of Suraj.
Salman, you're the most amazing person I've ever worked with.
Everybody is going to fall in love with Salman Khan all over again.
Prem is back.
His greatest quality is not being afraid to fail. Not worried, bad shot, dialogue nahi hai, kuch nahi. That is so amazing. That is the greatest strength he has, that he has laugh on himself.
जाओ कह दो उसे कि उसे हर चीज जाएगी मिल, बिकॉज उसने हमें बिल दिया है, हमने उसे दिल दिया है और ये सुनकर कोई हिल गया और उसका टिमटिमाता चिराग बुझ गया है, बुझ गया है, बुझ गया है.
Cheater. Come on.
Cut it. क्या समय कुछ भी बोलते मन बोल. अभी चुप.